Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this sunset inspired eye with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. So yeah, if you guys would like to see this eye look and this whole tutorial, please just keep on watching and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start out with I already did one eye off camera. I was kind of practicing it and everything. I really like the way it turned out, so we're going to do it on this eye. I'm going to prime and conceal using the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. Just blend that in. Okay, and then I'm going to start off by, so for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be featuring the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. I don't even have the first palette, but I really love this palette. It's got really pretty colors in it. I've created a few different looks on my own using it, so I wanted to do it for you guys. So I'm gonna start off with this Real Techniques shading brush, and I'm gonna take the color Certified, this one right here, and I'm gonna use that on my brow bone because I don't want to get any shadow up there, so I want to set the concealer just up there, but I don't want to set the concealer everywhere because I want lots of pigmentation from the shadows. And I just always do this. I'm not doing it specifically for this palette. I'm just doing it because it's what I always do. I'm going to go in with my Morphe JH33 brush, and it's just a little crease brush. And I'm going to do a little bit of a mixture. I'm going to use Dance Party, this one right here, and I'm going to use Oh Hello right here, and a little bit of Lolly Mama. And I'm going to take mostly Dance Party, a little bit of Oh Hello, and then just a tiny tap of Lolly Mama, and I'm gonna use that in my crease. So I'm gonna just start blending I'm just gonna start packing this in the crease, and this is gonna be our starter shade and our crease color. And then I like to go in with the Real Techniques brush and just go from the top of that pink color and just kind of blend it out a little bit. There's already a pretty sticky base there, but I'm gonna, just to help a little bit more, I'm gonna use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to just apply this onto my lid as a sticky base, and it's going to help all of those bright and colorful colors go on really well. I'm also going to put this in my inner corner so I can highlight that. Now I'm going to go in with this teeny tiny brush. This is the Morphe JH42 brush. These are her brushes from her master collection, I believe is what it's called. And I'm going to take that same color, the white color Certified, And I'm gonna put that in the inner corner of my eye to highlight. I don't even know what anything's called. And I'm just using that to highlight that area up with the white. It just brightens everything for all of the other colors, and I feel like it looks really nice. And then I'm going to take this Morphe M421 brush, which is a little, just like a little shader brush, but it's small enough that it'll fit in like that inner corner area. And I'm going to take the yellow color called No Joke right here and put that right next to the white in my inner corner. Or not really in the inner corner, but just right next to the white. And pack that down. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH41 brush. And I'm going to, it's just like a little bit bigger of a brush. And I'm going to use the color My Man and a little bit of Feelin' Myself. This one and this one. And I'm going to use those. They're a little bit more like an orange. They're pretty close to orange, so I'm going to pack that right next to the yellow. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild, this is just like a flat shader brush, and I'm going to take the color Livin' My Best. I think it might be Living My Best Life, but it doesn't say that underneath the shadow. And I'm just gonna pack this right next to the orange on like that outer lid area. I'm just making sure that everything is there and pigmented. So I'm just going over with all of the colors, making sure they're nice and pigmented. And then I'm going to go in and add a little bit of darkness on the outer corner. I'm going to use the Morphe JH40 brush, just a nice little tiny brush, and I'm going to take the color Stay True right here, which is a really pretty purple color. And I'm going to add this on the outer corner right here. Just on this very outer corner. And then I'm going to add even more darkness, and I'm going to use the Morphe JH39 brush. I'm going to take the color Temptress right here. It's just a deep black. And I'm going to take a little bit of this and put it right in the outer corner right here. And then blend it a little bit and go back with the brush we used Stay True on and just blend out that black. Use that same brush that we started with for the pink and take Dance Party, Oh Hello, and Lolly Mama. Just mix them again, and I'm gonna reapply them in my crease. Make sure that we didn't lose any of that color. And then I'm going to go in with Certified again, like we started with on the brow bone. And I'm going to apply this right above, clean it up, make sure that it's not, that pink isn't all around that, dang it, what's it called, the brow bone color. And then just work on that blend. Yesterday, and she's very talkative today. But I'm gonna take this Morphe GH30 brush and I'm gonna I don't know what she's doing. I'm pretty sure you can hear her. I don't know what she's saying, but she's cute. She just turned 3. But I'm gonna take this Morphe GH30 brush and I'm gonna go over everything at the very tip top here and make sure that everything is blended. Good, I like that. So you can put whatever you want on the lower lash. I am just going to be doing like an ombre effect, like I'm basically going to follow my exact what I have on the lid into the outer corner, and I'm going to follow it from here all the way out. So now I'm going to go in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk and apply that to my waterline. And this is just going to add some lightness in to the eye. So I'm just going to add some of my Essence Lash Princess mascara to my lashes. I don't ever wear falsies, that's just me though. You can do whatever you want to do. I just know that this mascara is the best false lash effect, so it looks like you're wearing lashes but you're not. Okay, so this is the completed eye look with this new Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've made it to the end, a big thank you to you. It really helps me out, and yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!